So we saw this fish rising right here in this perfect little run. It's just sitting out of the fast current behind that rock, and every now and then is coming up. It's not a big fish. We're just trying to film him while he's eating a fly. It's so beautiful. I actually got, oh, there he is, perfect. Got the most awesome shot of this fish rising. It is incredible at 120 frames a second. Oh, you should watch this, Chris. It was a fish. If you can't see that's a fish, you're blind. I know you say it's a frog, but it's a fish, bro.
100% a frog.
Yeah, I haven't seen a frog look like that. Frog has legs, not fins. Yes, I'm gonna catch that fish now, I can't wait. Come on. Yes. It's in. Always store your tippet rings in a pouch somewhere. They tend to disappear quite quickly when you don't store them well. Okay, now that it's attached to a piece of tippet, I can try and locate the end of my leader. It's somewhere in this bush. It's actually in the river. Amateur hour. Let's quickly attach a fly. What do you want to feed this fish? My sunnies are so dirty because I devoured a cheese griller pie on our way here. And some of the crumbs fell into my sunglasses.
Saving it for later.
Saving it for later, and
River snack.
it's a little river snack, and the oil residue basically made it impossible to see out of my left eye, but I don't have soap here to clean it, so I'll just fish with my one eye. If a sniper can do it with one eye, I can do it with one eye. On. Oh! So everything went according to plan. First cast over the fish comes up, eats the dry fly, have him on, and then he just pops off. He missed the fly. So there's a fish there, but he missed the fly. So what I'm gonna do now, because he missed the fly, but I didn't prick him, I just want to take some time and cool him down, change the dry fly to something smaller, and see if we can catch it then. So I switched over to a small snowshoe emerger. Let's see if we can catch him on that. Yes, please. Let me show him to you, Chris. Yeah, just a textbook little trout. I'm so stoked with that. So let's release him, which is probably the best part of catching the fish. And let's go and look for another one.
The second best, first best eating them.
Fillet and release. So what's happening here is I've showed Chris so many times how to tie a knot, but he can't. He still can't do it. Chris,
I can tie a normal knot. I just can't tie one of Pia's fancy dry dropper knots. So what's your most expensive fly in this box? I want to use that one. Okay.
Okay, great. So what are you going to attach to now?
Woolly bugger.
You and your woolly buggers, and then you usually catch the biggest trout.
The biggest trout eat the biggest flies.